Hi guys, it's Dan Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I got Happy Meal. So I've literally just got home from being out and running errands, and I just came home to receive this package. This is from Wanda, who's Wandy Sweets on YouTube and Instagram, and I can already tell this box is decorated so pretty. Look at the bow. Like, you know I'm taking this off because like it's so pretty. So pretty. And yeah, I'm just gonna open this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, Wanda, like, why do you spoil me? Look at this. First of all, I never do this. Like, I never do this. Like, do the panels of the box. Girl, I'm loving it. I can't even fit it because it's so big. She sent me such a big box, and like, she threw in those little Hobby Lobby balloons in here. Like, this is next level confetti, you guys. Look at this bow. Good Lord. I'm gonna need a little side container to like save all this. So pretty. Oh, Wanda, I love everything. Just the random little extras that you threw in here. So cute. I'm so excited. It's gonna make my day already. All right, I'm gonna just lift this up. Hopefully salvage all the pretties. Oh, my heart. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna just try to take everything out because there's so much in here, and oh my god, Wanda, you spoiled me. All right, so let's take it out and then we'll go through each and every one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Okay. I'm so excited. There's like random pom-poms in here. Ooh. Pardon me. I have not eaten yet. Yay. You know what? I'm gonna just take the box and put it to the side and just open it individually because there's just too much in here and I'm already overwhelmed. So I'm gonna go just from the top. She sent me this. This is like a push pin, so you can put in, I don't have a pin right now, but like, you can, oh, that was a disaster. You can put in your pins, which is really cute. Look how pretty this is. For someone who hasn't had Crafty Mojo, look at this. She sent me a whole box of like knickknacks. Look at this little ice cream. Is it a cupcake? Oh, cupcake bead. How cute is that? Silicone fingers. I cannot have enough of these, to be honest. I always lose them. And just like a whole bunch of little knickknacks. Little doggy with a bone. These are so pretty. This is fun. There's a whole bunch of little knickknacks in here, but look how pretty these are. I love this. Little strips of fabric. I need to do that. Inspo. Thank you, Wanda. And then, oh my god, this thing is looking at me. Oh, this is a card. So I have like a wall of cards that Wanda sent me, and she's really trying hard to get me into Anna Griffin. I'm getting soft to it a little bit, you guys. It is really, I don't know, really just a unique, and I kind of like the vintage style to her style, but oh, so pretty. You could just like stand this up. Love you, Wanda. I love the heartfelt roses. They're so gorgeous. I have no patience for this kind of stuff, so I appreciate you. And then what does she have in here? Girl, I'm gonna have to vacuum after this because it's an explosion of confetti and all this yumminess. What is this? You sent me the gingerbread house! So, she is making a Anna Griffin gingerbread house, and I was sweating it so hard because it was so pretty. And I was like, where did you get it? Honestly, I'm not ready to like fully commit to it, but I am getting softer. Yay! I can't wait to make it. I can't wait to make it. I'm so glad. And she made this adorable little pocket with the Prima candy cane. Is this candy cane lane? Yeah. I love this paper. I love what you did here. Took a 12 by 12 and kind of just made pockets on both ends. Love that idea. And then what's in here? Oh my god, look, all these little, like, itty bitties to decorate it. Yay! Yay! I'm so excited. So excited. Thank you, Wanda, for sharing your stash with me. And I'm so excited. I should have eaten something because my stomach is growling, you guys. I'm sorry if you hear it. But, yeah, you know, priorities. Oh, look at this. How pretty is this? I can't... Oh, thank God. I was like, I can't tear this apart. A random balloon over here. Look how pretty this is, you guys. Like, see, this is why I'm getting soft to it, because she just sends me, like, oh, wow. So pretty. And these balloons are, like, next level balloons. Wow. Okay, what is in here? You got all these, like, foam balls stuck to this. It's like party in the wrapping. Oh, my God. What did you get me? I want to salvage this, but girl, you gotta tape like Fort Knox in here. Ugh. Do I have to take this off? Is this just the belly band? No, you glued it, woman. I want to keep it. Okay. Oh, you taped it. That's why it's not coming off. Sorry, you guys. This is gonna be a long video. Just warning. Oh, how pretty. A little notebook. Gonna open this, and of course she sent it in her favorite color, pink. I love pink too, but this is so pretty. Oh, I love the little gold on this. I'm gonna write all my like pretty notes. Yes, thank you. All right, next up is this little box here, a little sunflower number, and we got, ooh, oh, my girl hooked me up. She said 60% off at Michael's. I'm going to give you all the pretties. This is so cute. Oh, this is Hobby Lobby. So pretty. Like, you can never have enough beads. Ooh, these are gorgeous. I don't have these. Oh, I'm going to totally make something with these. It's a fun little bracelet number here. Thank you. Like, I'm not even halfway through, guys. There's so much stuff in here. All right. Next up in this Anna Griffin tour. Like, how is she not going to have me love this so much? Like, I am dying. Look how pretty this is. Like, her bows are so next level too, Anna Griffin. Love the little flowers over here. She made me a box. So pretty. Sorry. Oh, yes! So my girl made me cards. Oh, how fun is this? Like a card set. Anna Griffin card set. Yes! So, like, I can just send these beautiful cards. Yes! Ooh, love these. Oh, this is so pretty. Like, this is some fancy, like, Hallmark cards. Yes. I gotta put this bow on top. This bow is so pretty. Oh, and this is that, I forgot what you called it. Like, a trippy little pull-out thing. Ooh. So fun. Oh, I love this bow. This bow is so cute. Yay! Thank you, Wanda. I can't embellish them more. Girl, they're already so pretty. Everyone's gonna say, oh, are you professional? No. Someone made these for me. I hate making cards. But I try. Thank you so much, Wanda. Ooh, and she gave me like a little pedicure, little set with the little nail clipper included. Yay. Oh, how pretty is this little box? Oh, okay, sorry. Did you color this? Yep, it looks like it. Wow, Wanda, you're so fancy. And she gave me these little pins that you can add to your projects. I love these. And she gave me all these boxes of these bubbles. Oh, I love these so much. And they're already decorated. I'm totally reusing these with the seam binding. Yes, Shabby. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna put this back. Okay. Oh, good Lord. Okay. Here is oh, how pretty, the strawberry milkshake. And she added a little pen that matches so perfectly. I love the little quirkiness to it. The little trim on the side. And it's a little notepad. Girl, I'm going to have the fanciest little notepads ever. Love this. And like everything is dropping sequins. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I'm sorry I didn't wait for better lighting. But I was so excited. Got a little pencil case here. Ooh, you made me a Poke Tool. Yay. So cute. Love it. Don't do that, kids, but yay. I love that these boxes fit so perfectly too. Okay. Got this little box here. Crop weekend. Ooh, you know what? I was just running out of these. Oh, is it this? This is the thing where you can just keep it in the holder. Yes. That's so cute. Just pull it out as you go. Love that. Love that, love that. Thank you so much, Wanda. Okay. Wow, there's a big box here. Okay, shake this off a little bit. Beautiful little wrapping number. Let me see what this is in here. Where'd you get this wrapping paper from? It's so pretty. Did you use a 12 by 12? Because it's so pretty and sturdy. Where are you getting your wrapping paper from? This might be a 12 by 12. What do you got in here? What are you giving me? Okay. So we got this really fun stamp. I've never seen stamps at Dollar Tree. That's fun. I love that. Thank you. Ooh, and this gorgeous frame. Oh, I've never seen this at Paper Studio. So fun. Ooh, I can't wait to use this on a project. You got these little Thankful Gnome stickers. So cute for fall. This little sunflower pack. Love, love, love. Little happy birthday stickers. Potty time. And then you got these little notepads. You know, you guys have such good Dollar Trees. Mine suck, but... Oh, I love little strawberries on this. This is so cute. Thank you, Wanda. And then... this big box here. Ooh, I have no idea what you have. It looks like, sounds like beads. But look at this packaging, you guys. Girl, you used all your Anna Griffin birthday stuff on me. So fancy. And there's no wrong way to do this. I just love the layers. So, like, next level. Okay, so I'm going to slip this out. Yes! Girl, you spoiled me. She gave me this humongous box of beads of all the colors. Oh, and they're lava beads, glass beads. They got some spacers. Oh, I love this. You can see them in the back. I'll just put them in the front too. The lava beads. I love the lava beads. And I love the glass beads. I'm sorry for all the noise, you guys. Wow. Wanda, thank you. And then in here, let me just show you. This is the party in the box. So she also shared some washi, and I always use washi. She gave me her best ones because this is pretty. Look at this glitter. The polka dot one. Love. And this is the box, you guys. Like spring threw up in my box. For obvious reasons. You know how much I love you. Thank you so much for spoiling me on my early birthday and with all of your generosity. You are such a wonderful friend, and again, so thankful to have you in my life. You know how much I love you. I can just call you for no reason, just to vent. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll leave Wanda's information down below. I'm sure everyone follows her. She's amazing. And thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.